You guys cold?
Come on, let's go to the pond. We have to show you something.
All right.
Come on. It's so wet. Yeah. Pond.
Pretty cold out here, guys. It's February, you know.
Look.
Yeah, don't play in that, guys. There's chicken poop in there.
No.
That's gross.
It's a pond.
Hose yourself off before you come back in the house.
Oh, that's colder. We'll take a bath.
No, do not take a bath in that water.
No, we're not going to take the hose. Bye.
Thought you were gonna jump on the trampoline.
We did. Let's go jump on the trampoline.
What happened to the trampoline?
I don't know. Oh.
You guys are nuts, man. What's up, Puffy? Lay an egg?
Puppy's saying me now.
Can I ask why you're in your underwear?
Because it makes us colder.
Oh.
Because we don't want the neighbors to see our ass and our penis.
Oh, so you're wearing your underwear so you're not naked. That really wasn't my question. Why don't you have all your clothes on?
I don't know.
Okay.
We should have got all our clothes on. Oh, guys, we need to go in that pool. Oh, chicken pool. That's a chicken pool.
Yeah, don't go in there.
Puppy. Puppy, go in it. Let's go, Puppy.
Here comes Pitt.
Hey, throw them in. Throw them in.
All right, guys, I'm cold. I'm going in.
I'm cold too. Okay, Daddy, let's throw Puppy in.
Don't throw Puffy in.